If you guys are new to the channel, what we do here on the Nate Rider channel is a full send. Hey! Woo! Hey, okay. That thing is loud. We like American muscle, we like cams, and we love open headers. Give it a little bit more revs. Let's go! That's one of the videos that you guys love the most. And well, let me just show you a little taste of what we have here to come. Hold on. Listen to this. Now listen to this. Now listen to this. So that sound was from the Pypes Performance Exhaust that you guys just heard. We have the Pypes long tube headers, the Pypes electric cutouts, the Pypes X pipe. Yeah, we do the open headers. I don't have Miley here. She's currently being built. Update coming very shortly on that. We got a big reveal, and then we got the building, and then we got the wide body and all that stuff. So we do open headers here, and Pypes sent out a full system right here. We got the big old box right here, and then we got another big old box here, and then we have that box. But the one box that we're gonna really pay attention on are the headers, because I don't want to do the electric cutouts on Betty. I'm gonna want to go ahead and just run it with the headers on, just so I could experience what it's like with the open headers, and then we're gonna go ahead and put on the rest of the system, just because we do need to go over to Andy's muffler shop to do some fabrication and get that up and going. But we got Joe here. He's already started on the full project.
Almost got all the bolts loose. I have 2 more left, that's it.
Alright, for sure, yeah. We almost got everything out. Well, Joe almost got everything out here. We're gonna go ahead and run the beautiful long tubes from Pypes. We're gonna run them open without the exhaust, and then the next video to come, we are going to put the rest of the system right there. So these things are absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, but we got the beautiful Pypes, and Pypes doesn't know that I'm actually going to be running these open headers. We were going to do the full plan, but Joe, if you're watching this, thank you so much for the hookup once again. We're going to run these bad boys, see what a 302 V8 engine sounds like just with open headers, and then we'll head over to Andy's muffler shop and install the rest of the exhaust system. But I really want to show you guys how cool this is going to be on the 69. And to show you guys some more of the unboxing, it does come here with the gaskets and all of the hardware available, so we're going to be doing some brand new things. Also has the gaskets to connect the mid pipe to the rest of the cat back there. But yeah, these things are so beautiful, high quality, great sounding. You guys heard the 3-valve. I don't even have to explain how good these are going to sound, and Miley as well. Again, this is just going to be for the meantime until we could put the rest of the exhaust system on, but I really wanted to do open headers. So one of the, a lot of you guys hit me up regarding headers and exhaust and stuff like that, and one of the things here with the 69 is that it has lots of room, and you could just work on it like Joe.
Look at this. It's a wrench.
Yeah, I know.
It's a wrench.
It's super easy to get to. But a lot of you guys did say that installing the headers, you may run into a problem with the steering rack. So we're going to go ahead and see if we do have that problem. The good thing is we don't have to lift up the engine like we do with like the 3-valve, the Shelby, and any modern day Mustang. So these are a lot easy to work on, rather than having to lift up the full motor and stuff like that. So we'll see exactly how it is. And it's that steering rack down there that shows most of the problem, so we'll see the fitment. One thing I also do want to discuss is if I can cam this 302 motor what kind of cam and if I can cam it, because I would love to cam this car. I'm not going to boost this at all or boost anything on Betty. I'm going to keep her not too fast because we have Miley for that. But yeah, because right now we're at 250 crank horsepower. I think the 302 comes with.
You'll get close to, if you clean it up, headers, a double Harley carburetor with a new intake manifold and a cam, and this is going to be about 400 wheel.
I think we're going to stick with the 300-400 horsepower range. I think that would be good enough. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think, as well as can I cam this 302 motor, or if I should swap it out for like a 428 Cobra Jet. Just kidding, those things are crazy. Or like a I think it was a 351
Windsor.
351 Windsor is what a lot of guys go with on these motors. But yeah, let me know down in the comments. Cam, I would love to cam this thing. Alright.
Give me a second.
Alright, well, we got the first header about to be out right now. And those bad boys came out in like 20 minutes down. The fastest header job ever done. Let's put that side by side next to the new ones. Here, go ahead and put it down like right here. So that's what comes stock, and this is what we're putting in. Way better quality, and just overall looks a lot better. This is gonna look so good underneath. Out with the old, in with the new.
Gasket doesn't look too off bad.
The gasket is in immaculate condition for 50 years old. This has not been touched. This is all factory from '69. And boy, let's go ahead and just pull out the second one, rip out the full exhaust, and then install the open headers.
You fat ass!
Alright, so you guys are gonna hear the open headers, but how about no headers? We're gonna try seeing how much. Do you think fuel's gonna be like spitting out?
Maybe a little.
Maybe a little.
You're probably gonna see a few things.
You know what? Screw it. Sometimes you just gotta go it. Hey, it's gonna be safe though, right? Nothing's gonna like blow up. Yes.
You know my motto.
Alright, well, let's try it. No headers, start that baby up. Hey. Woo. Hey, okay. That thing is loud. Look how much smoke. Damn, that thing is insane. Hey, I like that.
Those are small vents.
Yeah. Hey, that sounded sick though. It sounded a lot better because you can hear squat out of the stock exhaust.
Yeah, that's because.
Did you feel it here?
Yeah, I felt it. I felt it right there.
Those were like this much.
Yeah, dude, that thing was insane. Especially when it actually started up, you could hear like the, I don't know, I can't even explain. It was just such a loud noise.
I don't want to rev it out like that.
Don't rev. No. We'll wait for the long tubes. We'll wait for the long tubes to get in, and then we'll rev it all we want. Cause shoot, I'm just scared like fuel's gonna like spill out of those things or something.
If it does, it overnight.
Alright, let's get the long tubes on. Enough playing around. We gotta drop the full exhaust. The exhaust is literally hangs from the headers connection, and then it hangs from the back. So again, this is it's a pretty simple process. Alright, so we got the muffler out. Trying to get the muffler out, this thing was destroyed. Joe literally just pulled it off with his hands. This muffler has fallen to pieces too, and everything else seems to be okay, and that's the other side of the exhaust. This was the exhaust tip. That was literally it. And then we also got this shred of metal, which most people throw away in the engine bay that connects to that air filter. So, replacing the old parts, filling it up with the new. Now it's time to install the long tubes.
That works. Just go from there, Joe. That way we don't have to completely take it out. You are on the spark plug.
Those look like new spark plugs too.
Yeah,
Fun fact, the Pypes long tube headers, you do not have to remove your steering. I don't have power steering, so if you have power steering, that may be a little bit different, but the Pypes no have to lift up the engine, do not have to take out the steering rack. It fits like a glove if you go from underneath out. So shout out to Pypes for making the headers manageable with the '69 Mustang. This has got to be the easiest header job ever if you guys are wondering, the passenger side has the most room. Absolutely no problems with this at all. You just go straight up, and it's a lot easier than driver's side. Driver's side, you gotta maneuver it a little bit, but it's not bad at all. Just find the right angle, and those babies fit in like a glove. All right, so we got the, well, let me just say, Joe and Mike tearing it up on this full install right here, and look how pretty those pipes are. We do have a coil that's broken, so we're probably gonna have a misfire. I've been having misfires all the time, but we're gonna go ahead and start this baby up. But just look how good it is. We're gonna put it through the heat cycle. The heat cycle is gonna make this look like a cool, I think it's like an amber copper type deal. And then we do have the clearance down there for like a smooth transition to the rear of the car, so the exhaust could flow there. But this just looks so nice. All right, so we think that Magic Mike over here fixed the Magic. That's his new nickname, Magic Mike. There we go. There you go. Oh my gosh! Hold on. Give it a little bit more revs. Let's go. Damn, that thing is insane. Oh, I kind of wanted to go a little bit more on that one. Shoot, dude, that sounds crazy. Magic Mike fixing my, what is these? The spark plug coils?
Spark plug wires.
Spark plug wires. So mine was completely destroyed. I'm going to get, of course, MSC ones as mentioned before, but dude, that sounds insane. Wow, I can't wait to take this on a drive and show you guys how it is on the road, but dude, looking good, looking really, really good.